Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both modern standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
Never mind in Egyptian is ولا يهمك. ولا يهمك. Very common in Egyptian, and this is for male if we are talking to a male. If we are talking to a female, instead we say ولا يهمك. Instead of ولا يهمك, we say ولا يهمك. Sometimes you may hear it ما يهمكش or ما يهمكيش. Okay, this is another variation. ما يهمكش or ما يهمكيش, or ولا يهمك ولا يهمك. Okay, ولا يهمك ولا يهمك in Egyptian is never mind, and this expression is very common in Cairo. You will hear it a lot. If you want to say ولا يهمك or let's say never mind in modern standard Arabic, we say لا عليك. لا عليك. Okay, this is for modern standard Arabic, or لا عليكي. لا عليكي. This is a big difference. As you can see, both mean the same thing, but there's a big difference in the vocabulary. So لا عليك is for male, talking to a male. لا عليكي, talking to a female. Let's repeat it. لا عليك. لا عليكي. لا عليك. لا عليكي.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.